flood protection.
Two things that are the main key points of today's weather will be that flooding along the rivers and also the air quality as well. We've seen that Canadian high finally make its way in, giving us some relief, but also giving us some of that wildfire smoke that was trapped up in Canada. All of eastern Iowa and really most of Iowa has been deemed unhealthy by the air quality index. So just make sure to limit your time while you are outside throughout the next day or two. So let's time that smoke forecast out. We'll see it'll push its way out by Friday and into Friday afternoon. Eventually we'll see that smoke thin out when winds shift from the northeast to the east, preventing us from getting any more of that wildfire smoke. Hopefully that could thin out here by the weekend. And it's not just Cedar Rapids that's seeing the smoke either. It's anywhere you look in Iowa, you're going to see that smoke and haze. You can see it just along the back tree line on our Coralville Skycam. However, the bigger thing that I haven't talked about yet, it's been cool outside, 76 degrees compared to the 90s we were seeing earlier this week. It's going to feel great. And that dew point, it's amazing as well. Lower 50s, that makes it feel almost like April, May, September, October, something we usually don't feel this time of July. That mixed with today's relatively low high temperatures for where we should be seeing this time of year. Decorah hasn't even made it up to 75, only 73. Cedar Rapids and Iowa City got all the way up to 77. That's about 5 degrees cooler than what we should be seeing this time of year. And also, our dew points are cooler for what we should be seeing this time of year too. That dry, cool air has stayed in place and will continue to stay in place as we go throughout the afternoon and evening hours. We'll continue to see hazy skies, but lows will drop down into the 50s. Eventually, we will start to clear out that smoke. Right now on Thursday, we see that northwest wind keeping that smoke around, but we'll still see clear skies besides that. Eventually, those winds will start to shift further to the east as we get into Friday and Saturday. However, we'll start to notice cloudy skies will also return as well. Our air is just too dry right now to support any rain, so all that rain you're seeing will stay and stick around to the east, and thankfully, we don't need any rain here, all because of the rivers already being filled. Flood watches and warnings are out in our area. So let's take a look at that 7-day here. And you'll see temperatures going to drop down only to the middle 70s and also possibly into the 50s and 40s tonight until we eventually warm back up into those middle 80s by next week.